Hey guys, have you ever wondered how to set posts using concrete? In this video, we're going to show you exactly how. Let's go. Alright guys, we chose to go with the Quikrete fast setting concrete. The reason I've always loved this Quikrete fast setting concrete is it sets hard within 20 to 40 minutes. So if you're on the job and you've got to get the job done quickly, this is the best option. Or you're a homeowner and you're wanting to finish your fence, you have a weekend, this fast setting concrete is the best option. It's a little more expensive. Each bag is like $6.50 or something. So we recommend if you're going 2.5 to 3 feet deep, you're gonna use pretty much 2.5 to 3 bags. Typically just 2 bags per post hole. So we're gonna start digging our holes right now, and we're gonna show you how to use this Quikrete. Works really well and you'll be able to build your fence. Alright, so I got our level, I got the concrete laid out right here, got some water. So the first step I like to do, this concrete, this fast setting concrete, you're going to want to read the bag. Every concrete's going to be different, so whatever you're using, just read the bag. This one calls for 1 gallon per 50-pound bag. So we're using 2 50-pound bags, so we're going to need about 2 gallons. So obviously this is a full 5-gallon bucket, so we're not going to need all this, but I like to start with a little bit of water down in the bottom, and then we're going to want to make sure your post, like I said, is level with the string line. So little tips and tricks, you know, is to kind of get it where you need it and kind of kick it. Just find level and then just kind of kick it over or move it over. You can see how far off I was there. So that's level. I'm about 1.5 inches away, so I'm going to move it over. Okay, so find level again. You'll see when you start moving the string line, you don't want to do that. You just want to barely touch it. If you're barely touching it and you're level, doing pretty good. Okay, right there I'm pretty good. So it's now that since I got water in the hole, you're gonna open your bag. You're gonna get some of this concrete in there. Okay, so we got a little bit in there to hold it tight, kind of keep it in place. So we're gonna recheck it. Pretty dang level there. So we're gonna keep adding some more. And then I like to add a little bit of water in between as well. I also have a little stick or a prod or something to stick in there to mix it up just a little bit. It actually doesn't call for it, but I like to do it. Just make sure it gets mixed in there a little bit. They have some really nice levels. This one actually isn't it, but some magnetic ones. Magnetic levels make it nice and easy. Like I said, get a little stick, kind of move it around, kind of compact it a little bit. It doesn't call for it, but I do it anyways. Add a little bit more water. You can see there, I'd say we used about, it's a 5-gallon bucket. Used about 2 gallons right there. So making sure we're still level, looking really good right there. So we're right on the string line, and we're level. So that's what you want to see. You want to see level, and you want to be directly on your string line. So we're gonna let that set. Like I said, that concrete mix takes about 20 to 40 minutes to set, and then we'll come back once it's all dry. We'll be able to set our fence.
Hey guys, if you like what you see in these videos, be sure to like and subscribe for more great videos.
All right, we've been out here. We've let this set for about 2 hours. It's pretty dry. It's a little wet still, but I mean, with it being a little wet, solid post. I would definitely feel comfortable fencing on this post. Obviously, again, the longer you let it cure, the stronger it's gonna be. So if you wanna wait till the next day, definitely a great option. But you definitely could hang fencing on this post if you wanted to pretty quickly. Be sure to concrete all your posts. It's gonna be long lasting. It's gonna be sturdy, a solid fence, especially for horses and livestock. Now, if you guys are wondering on what type of fencing you should use next after you install your posts, we have some great options as far as continuous fence or hanging your gate. So watch the next video and we're gonna show you some great options on horse and livestock fencing that you can install yourself. So check it out.